felt that violent action was warranted. The thing to do was to blow up the Houses of Parliament, and in doing so they would kill the king, who was making life difficult for the Catholics. Today, these conspirators would be known as extremists or terrorists. To carry out their plan, the conspirators got hold of 36 barrels of gunpowder and stored them underneath. They stored them underneath the Houses of Parliament. Okay? But one of the group was worried that innocent people might get hurt as well. So he sent a letter to the king, and they discovered the plot and arrested all of the traitors who were in the cellar. They found Guy Fawkes in the cellar with 36 barrels of gunpowder, and that was in the early hours of November the 5th. He was caught, tortured and executed. And now, every year, on November the 5th, we celebrate Bonfire Night, the night that we stopped Guy Fawkes from blowing up the Houses of Parliament. And we have bonfires and fireworks to celebrate. Okay? Do not stop and we'll do